This is my car channel where I talk about nothing but cars. And today I'm working on the spoiler for the Wick Splitter Porsche, the wide body. The spoiler was looking kind of raggedy, had some cracks in it. So I'm sanding it down right now so that I can paint it black. And I'm also working on a custom hood, which is also going to be painted black. So it'll give the car kind of a different look. Let me show you where the spoiler was before and on the back of the car. It was green, and as you can see, the car's in my garage right now. But it was mounted right here, but it was looking kind of raggedy. And I figure by painting it black and filling in some of the stress cracks, because it's got that weird kind of, it's not fiberglass, but kind of a weird rubber. If I painted it black and fill the cracks in, it'll look a lot better. And then it'll give it some contrast to the car when I do the black hood, because this is a hood right now, but I'm going to be doing a black hood with a custom scoop on it so that, you know, the engine will still fit with the air cleaner, but it'll be a lot more streamlined, so you won't see the actual and this is air filter sticking out the top. I don't want to bore you guys with all the sanding, but it's a lot of sanding. I've kind of gotten the first coat of green paint almost off of it, and as I continue to sand, I'll get all of that off of there, and then I'll smooth it out and then put the sealant over it. So stay tuned. Spoiler for the seal, to put the seal on it. It's pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth. I got it, I think, smooth enough to put the seal on it. I sanded it probably, I don't know, 2-3 more times since I had it on time lapse. And so I'll put the sealer on it, and then I'm gonna sand it down again once it dries. But my hands all like vibrate right now from holding that sander, man. But yeah, I'm gonna prep this for the sealer, wipe it down, get all the dust and stuff off of it, and go from there. A little bit of work, but it's kind of meditative, man. And when I get done, this black material, whatever this is gonna be a nice gloss black, and it's gonna look pretty slick on the car. So yeah, man, a lot of look like primer and Bondo underneath here, but I've got it down low enough where I can put a nice little coat on it and spread it out. So we're gonna do that next, and continue with this process of refurbishing this Porsche 928 spoiler. So I prepped the surface, and now I have to put the sealer on these little cracks that are in the spoiler. I've never used this before, but look at that, already this thing broke. So that's not good, because this has to go in here. So let me get a screwdriver or something so I can pop that out of there. So I got the back open, put this tip on here. Oh, there it goes, squeezing up out of there. I just want to kind of get it on there so that it dry. I'll go back and sand it, but it'll seal this so that when I paint it, you won't see those cracks in it anymore. I put a nice little coat on there, nothing crazy, but enough to basically coat all the cracks, and then when I paint it, you won't see that, and I'm gonna sand it out too. So the initial coat of sealer on one side, and then when it dries, I'll put another coat on the other side.